When assembly workers record component consumption manually or after the fact, inventory records drift out of sync with what actually happened on the floor. Warehouse Insight fixes that. With assembly order management in Warehouse Insight for Business Central, workers open an assembly order directly on their Android handheld. They scan components from bins as they consume them, capture lot and serial tracking details in the same step, and post finished assembly output from the device with a single menu action. Business Central updates in real time at every step. Warehouse Insight supports both assemble to stock and assemble to order documents using the same scan to confirm workflow that runs across the entire system. Workers already familiar with receiving, picking, or counting in Warehouse Insight need no additional training. Assembly workers, finished goods workers, and planners all benefit from accurate real-time records without waiting for end-of-day entries. To get started, reach out to your Microsoft partner.